Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I create simple and functional spreadsheet templates for Google Sheets and Excel, including planners, trackers, and productivity tools, all designed to make everyday life easier and more organized. In this video, I'll show you how to use the expense tracker step by step, exactly in the order you would use it in real life. Before we start, I just want to quickly mention that this planner comes in 4 different color themes: pastel, dark, ocean, and nature. Each theme is sold separately as its own product. In this video, I'm demonstrating the pastel theme, but all versions work exactly the same. The only difference is the color. Now, let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is customize the setup page. This is where you personalize the tracker so it fits your own lifestyle and spending habits. At the top, you can choose your currency. Once you enter it here, the same currency will automatically apply across the entire tracker. Next, you'll set up your expense categories. You can add up to a maximum of 25 categories, so it's best to keep them clear and meaningful. Think of categories like rent, groceries, transportation, subscriptions, or entertainment. Alongside categories, you'll set up your accounts. For example, credit card, checking account, cash, or a digital wallet. You can add up to a maximum of 25 accounts as well. Once your currency, categories, and accounts are set, the drop-down menus in the expense tracker page will be created automatically for you. You only need to do this setup once. After that, you're ready to use the expense tracker page. This tracker is designed for monthly use, so for each new month, simply duplicate the page. This way you can keep all your previous months without overwriting any data. On the duplicated page, start by selecting your start date and end date. Next, enter your monthly budget. Now you can start logging your expenses. In the transactions table, you'll enter the date, category, a short description, the account you used, and the amount for each expense. As you add transactions throughout the month, the tracker updates automatically. Once you've entered your expenses, all of the automatic sections come to life. First, let's look at the spending breakdown. Here, you can choose whether you want to see your expenses by category or by account. Based on your selection, the breakdown table and donut chart update instantly. Your expenses are automatically sorted from highest to lowest, showing the total spending for each category or account, along with the percentage each one represents of your overall spending. This makes it very easy to understand where your money is going at a glance. Next to the breakdown section, you'll find the daily expenses chart. This chart shows the total amount you spent each day, from the first day of the month to the last. It helps you quickly spot high spending days and understand your daily spending habits over time. At the top of the page, you'll see the monthly summary section. This area is fully automatic and shows your total spending, how much you have left to spend, your daily average, your highest expense, and the description of that expense. You don't need to calculate anything manually. Everything is generated directly from your transaction data. And that's it. You simply enter your expenses, and the tracker does the rest for you. I designed this expense tracker to be clean, intuitive, and easy to use, whether you're using it in Google Sheets or Excel, so managing your finances feels simple instead of overwhelming. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more spreadsheet templates and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.